Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and navigating to the page with the element you want. Once the page loads, open DevTools with Ctrl+Shift+I or CMD+Opt+I, then choose the Inspect tool and click the element. You do this to surface the DOM node so Chrome can derive selectors from real structure. Make sure no extensions or overlays hide the element, otherwise the inspector may pick the wrong node. With the node highlighted, you're ready for the next steps to obtain a reliable selector. Once the node is selected, right-click it in the Elements panel and choose Copy, then Copy Selector to get Chrome's auto-generated selector. You'll often need to refine it. Inspect for ID or unique classes and shorten overly specific chains. If the selector uses many nth-child segments, replace them with class names or attributes to avoid fragility. Make sure to test the simplified selector in the console with Document. Query Selector to confirm it still targets the same element. Before moving, now test the selector directly in the console. Use Document. Query Selector and Query Selector all to confirm a single match or multiple elements as expected. Once validated, copy it from the Elements panel or paste it into your stylus sheet, script, or test. If the selector doesn't find the element, make sure the element isn't inside an iframe or shadow DOM, and check for runtime class changes. If so, use a more stable attribute or XPath. One troubleshooting tip: inspect parent containers and use attribute selectors when classes are dynamic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.